Hi, I'm Alexis, and I'm a student ambassador at the LSE Summer School. I'm originally from the United States, from Long Beach, California, and last summer I spent 6 weeks in London studying at LSE during sessions 1 and 2. There's plenty of fun things you could do inside and outside the classroom, but today I'll be telling you about all the things that you could do outside the classroom while studying abroad at LSE in London. LSE is located in the heart of London, and there's plenty to do. I lived in High Holborn, which is about 7 minutes away from campus. Close by campus is also Apple Market and Covent Garden, which are great places to shop and get lunch with friends after class. Behind the campus is a hidden gem called Sir John Soane's Museum, which has some of the coolest and most eclectic art pieces I've ever seen. Beyond the campus radius, of course, there's Hyde Park, which is a great place to bike through and see some shows and concerts, Borough Market, Big Ben, Westminster Abbey, and plenty of others, which are all great places to visit after class and even during the weekend. Not to mention there's also Notting Hill, where Portobello Market is located, as well as Columbia Road Flower Market that is worth checking out during the weekends for all sorts of trinkets, art, camera, jewelry, and pottery that your hearts desire. My favorite was Columbia Road Flower Market for its gorgeous flowers and fresh-made drinks and pastries sold along the various shops along Columbia Road. One of my favorite parts about London was the wide variety of delicious food to try. From jammed and cream scones from the cheeky scone to Taiwanese shaved ice and bingsu, there's something for everyone. I wanted to feature Dishoom, which was one of my favorite places, so much so that I visited 2 separate locations on 3 different occasions while I was at LSE. We can't forget about the summer school social events that LSE provides to students. There's the Spark events that help students build professional development and career skills like networking and resume and cover letter workshops. But there's also opportunities to see musicals. I got to see Mamma Mia and the Book of Mormon while I was at LSE last summer. Not to mention there are some cool events like the boat party that instantly sells out. So make sure you sign up early for your summer school event tickets. I had some university friends studying at Oxford last summer, and I decided to visit them one weekend. Another weekend, I decided to take a day trip to Brighton with some friends and explore the seaside town. But my favorite day trip had to be Canterbury. Visiting this place made me feel like I was stepping right into a fairy tale. That's right, you can even do international trips over the weekends and between sessions. I took 2 trips, one during Paris and another to Dublin. For Paris, I went with a group of friends I met during session 1 last summer and took a weekend trip between sessions 1 and 2. Attending LSE in London was the very first time I had ever been abroad, and it was an incredible experience being able to visit other countries nearby. For Dublin, one of my very good friends who goes to university with me also attended LSE Summer Session 2, and we decided to take a trip to Ireland for the weekend. Both countries are great options for those who are interested in exploring outside the United Kingdom and want to make the most out of your summer experience. Whether you're the spontaneous person who goes with the flow, or you're the type of planner who is booking months in advance, taking an international trip is well worth your while. Anyways, I hope this video gives you guys some ideas about what to do while studying abroad at LSE. Best of luck and safe travels, and have a fantastic summer.